Microfluidic techniques for liquid extraction offer a powerful approach to chemical synthesis in industrial applications. These techniques use channels only a few micrometers wide to precisely control the flow of two immiscible liquids. In such confined spaces, fluids flow in smooth parallel layers, a state known as laminar flow, which facilitates efficient and controlled extraction processes. By optimizing the interface between the liquids, microfluidics can significantly enhance the mass transfer of desired chemicals from one phase to another, leading to more selective separations. One important aspect is the enhanced mixing that occurs at the microscale. In traditional extraction methods, mixing large volumes can be inefficient and lead to incomplete separation. In contrast, microfluidic devices enable rapid diffusion between the phases due to the small dimensions, resulting in nearly instantaneous mixing and extraction. This rapid diffusion reduces the extraction time and allows for high-throughput screening, which is particularly valuable in research and development settings where many reaction conditions must be tested quickly. How does this benefit industrial processes? By speeding up the extraction process, manufacturers can reduce production times and increase overall yield. Another major advantage is the reduced solvent consumption. In conventional extraction systems, large volumes of solvents are required, which can lead to significant waste and environmental concerns. With microfluidic systems, the small volumes involved mean that much less solvent is needed, aligning with the principles of green chemistry. Imagine a process where expensive or hazardous solvents are minimized. This not only lowers costs, but also enhances safety and sustainability in the chemical industry. The continuous flow nature of microfluidic extraction is another transformative benefit. Unlike batch processing, continuous systems can operate 24/7 with real-time monitoring and control. Integrated sensors and automated feedback loops enable operators to adjust conditions on the fly, ensuring optimal performance at all times. For instance, if a slight variation in temperature or flow rate is detected, the system can automatically recalibrate, ensuring that the extraction remains efficient and consistent. Could this level of control be the key to developing smart manufacturing lines? Many experts believe it will pave the way for more adaptable and responsive chemical production systems. Industrial applications extend beyond just the extraction of reaction products. Microfluidic techniques are being used to separate catalysts, isolate bioactive compounds, and even purify natural products from complex mixtures. In pharmaceutical synthesis, for example, microfluidics can help isolate a potent drug compound from a mixture of reaction byproducts, enhancing purity without the need for extensive downstream processing. Additionally, these techniques are finding use in environmental applications such as the extraction of pollutants from water samples, where precision and speed are critical. Furthermore, researchers are exploring the integration of microfluidic systems with other advanced technologies like digital microfluidics, which use electric fields to manipulate droplets on a surface. This integration can enable even greater flexibility and miniaturization in extraction processes, potentially leading to portable devices for on-site chemical analysis. Such developments could revolutionize fields like forensic science or environmental monitoring, where rapid on-demand analysis is required. Overall, microfluidic techniques for liquid extraction are transforming industrial chemical synthesis by offering precise control, increased efficiency, and sustainable practices. With reduced solvent use, faster extraction times, and continuous processing capabilities, these methods are poised to redefine how complex mixtures are separated and purified in modern manufacturing. Could these advancements be the key to more sustainable, cost-effective, and agile chemical production in the future? The growing body of research and technological innovation suggests that microfluidics will play a critical role in the next generation of industrial applications, opening new avenues for efficient and environmentally friendly chemical processing. Microfluidics involves manipulating small volumes of fluids in channels with dimensions of tens to hundreds of micrometers. Liquid extraction in this context uses these miniature channels to separate compounds based on their solubility in different immiscible liquids. This technology allows for precise control over fluid interactions, making it ideal for chemical synthesis. It offers improved efficiency and scalability for industrial processes. A lab-on-a-chip device can separate a valuable chemical from a mixture by directing two immiscible liquids through microchannels, enabling rapid extraction. It's like using a tiny sieve that selectively filters ingredients from a small bowl, ensuring that only the desired components pass through. The process relies on the controlled flow of two immiscible liquids in close contact, allowing solutes to transfer from one phase to the other. At the microscale, fluid dynamics are dominated by laminar flow, ensuring predictable and smooth fluid interactions. This predictability enhances the efficiency of the extraction process by optimizing contact time and surface area. It provides a robust platform for designing precise chemical separations. In a microfluidic chip, one liquid carries the target compound while the other acts as an extraction solvent, and the controlled interface ensures high extraction efficiency. It's like two parallel streams in a small channel that gently mix at the edges, allowing the right ingredients to swap places, like well-orchestrated dancers. Microfluidic techniques offer significant advantages over traditional liquid-liquid extraction, such as reduced reagent consumption and faster processing times. The small scale allows for enhanced mass transfer due to a higher surface area to volume ratio. These systems are highly automated and reproducible, reducing human error and waste. This method also enables rapid optimization of extraction conditions in industrial settings. An industrial process using microfluidic extraction might use only a fraction of the chemicals required in conventional setups, achieving the same separation more efficiently. It's like using a precision kitchen gadget that cuts ingredients with minimal waste compared to using a large, less efficient tool. Microfluidic systems offer precise control over reaction parameters such as temperature, flow rate, and mixing, which are critical for successful liquid-liquid extraction. This control ensures that the extraction process occurs under optimal conditions, improving yield and purity. Fine-tuning these parameters allows for rapid adjustments and real-time optimization during chemical synthesis. The result is a highly efficient process that minimizes variability in product quality. A microfluidic device can adjust the flow rates of two liquids to maintain an ideal contact time, resulting in consistent extraction of a target compound. It's like having a thermostat-controlled oven that maintains the perfect temperature for baking every time, ensuring consistent results. Microfluidic extraction techniques are increasingly used in chemical synthesis to isolate and purify compounds with high efficiency. They are applied in the production of pharmaceuticals, fine chemicals, and specialty materials where precision is paramount. The integration of these systems in industrial settings allows for continuous processing and scalable production. This approach reduces costs and environmental impact while improving product quality. A pharmaceutical company might employ microfluidic extraction to purify an active ingredient in a drug, ensuring high purity and consistency. It's like using a state-of-the-art coffee machine that extracts flavor perfectly from each bean, delivering a consistent cup every time. The design of microfluidic systems minimizes the volume of solvents and reagents required, leading to significant waste reduction. Efficient mixing and mass transfer at the microscale result in faster extraction processes and lower energy consumption. These systems produce less chemical waste, contributing to greener and more sustainable industrial practices. Overall, microfluidic extraction increases process efficiency and reduces operational costs. An industrial process utilizing microfluidics might achieve the same extraction yield with 1/10 of the solvent volume used in traditional methods. It's like using a concentrated cleaning solution that requires only a small amount to clean a large surface area, saving both time and resources. Microfluidic devices are fabricated using techniques such as soft lithography, laser cutting, and 3D printing to create precise channel geometries. The design of these devices is critical for ensuring efficient fluid flow and optimal extraction performance. Materials used, such as polymers or glass, are chosen for their chemical resistance and transparency. This meticulous design process ensures that the devices meet the rigorous demands of industrial chemical synthesis. A microfluidic chip with carefully engineered channels can direct two immiscible liquids to interact along a large interface, optimizing the extraction of a target compound. It's like designing a custom water slide where every twist and turn is planned for maximum speed and smooth flow, ensuring an enjoyable ride. Integration of sensors and automated control systems in microfluidic devices allows for real-time monitoring of the extraction process. This technology ensures that any deviations from optimal conditions are quickly corrected, maintaining high efficiency and reproducibility. Automated systems can adjust parameters such as flow rates and temperature on the fly, enhancing overall process control. Such advancements make microfluidic extraction highly reliable for industrial applications. An automated microfluidic system might continuously monitor solvent levels and adjust the flow to maintain a steady extraction rate, ensuring consistent product quality. It's like a smart irrigation system that adjusts watering based on real-time soil moisture levels, ensuring plants receive the perfect amount of water without waste. Future research in microfluidic extraction aims to further miniaturize devices and integrate advanced analytics for even greater efficiency. Innovations are expected to enable multi-step chemical processes on a single microfluidic platform, enhancing overall productivity. The incorporation of machine learning and artificial intelligence could optimize extraction conditions automatically, leading to smart, adaptive systems. These advancements promise to revolutionize industrial chemical synthesis and environmental applications through continuous process improvement. Emerging technologies may lead to devices that not only extract compounds efficiently, but also provide real-time data analysis and predictive adjustments. Streamlining the entire synthesis process, it's like upgrading to a next-generation smartphone that not only performs tasks efficiently, but also learns from your usage patterns to improve performance over time.